Hey guys, I'm just in the process of unpacking my over-the-toilet storage device, and I'm really happy with it so far. It's come with everything you see here. I just got it out of the box to make sure I have everything. But take a look at this. This happens to be black. It comes in other colors as well. Good metallic construction, nice and solid. Got all the legs here still in the packaging. We've got the door handles here, which are going to look very nice and modern. And the inside shelves, all the other storage units that you're going to have. And this is going to fit right over the toilet. It's going to give you plenty of storage space. It's got a little bag of tool kits in here, all the screws and all the other attachments that you're going to need. And these hinges, very robust, very well built hinges. They're going to fit right inside of these little cutout recesses right here. So this is going to be really good. It's going to provide me a lot of good storage space. The instructions, I took a look at it. You can actually QR code this for instruction manuals. They give a very in-depth description, parts list for everything that you're going to need, and a step-by-step instruction. Everything is laid out. I'm going to have an easy time building this, so let's get to it. So we got it all installed, and this looks great. Fits right over the toilet, right in a nice little space right here. It's got these two beautiful doors, open up, and see the shelving in there? So there's plenty of room inside. You can put some stuff, you can put toilet paper, a couple of little pills, hand lotions, anything you want there. And as you can see, I've got plenty more room. So these hinges are great. Everything closes up, boom, I like it.